Amajoni Abomakadebona abasilingekileko e-Freystata bathi solo basahlala endaweni ezingakarisiko hlangana nokhunye abalila ngakho kutlhayela kwezenzelwa.
Abomakadebona bebhaba bathi solo bakalkanela ukuthola incwadi zobunikazi bezindlu zabo. Ezinye zezindlu ezo zisebujameni obumbi ngenxa yokwakhiwa budlabha, ezinye azinayo negezi. Seminyaka emithathu abanye abomakadebona bangafumani inzuzo.
The fees of the children are not being paid from 2019 up until today. The transport of the children is not being paid from 2019 up until today. Where did that money go to?
Abomakadebona bebhaba bathi bafuna ukuthuthukiswa kwamakhono-fundwa, bafuna nokuthi kuvule i-ofisi abazokulilela kiyo nabanenililo. Enyangeni entathu ezidluleko, abomakadebona bathele ngenyembezi sekela likaMengameli uDavid Mabuza njengomuntu onamandla njengoba nangusihlalo ebandleni lobumengameli elitshejeza abomakadebona bepi. Bamatshele nendlini zesibethamthetho ze-Freystata ukuyokunikela ngencwadi yenililo.
When it comes to skills development, the department do not allow us to go to trainings that we want to do. They prefer to give us trainings that they want us to do.
Uhulumende uthi ikambiso yokuqinisekisa kufuze yenziwe ngaphambi kokuthi kukhutshwe incwadi zobunikazi bomuzi.
It's important that people that occupy those houses have been verified, and so far there are a few cases, and we will not go into detail about those because we do not work alone, but together with the Department of Military Veterans as well on these issues.
Uhulumende uthi uyazi ngenililo ezizwakaliswa abomakadebona bebhaba begodwa uthi usebenza ngamandla ukuletha isisombululo.